What are you doing? Ken. 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 You're already ignoring me. You're not even a year old. Ken! Hi! Hi, yeah. What's that? Hi. I know. Tough life. You didn't sleep well last night. Yeah. You didn't sleep well last night. Can you tell me why? Ah, is that a good enough reason? Okay. That's a lot of reasons. Another one? Oh, come on. Really? I don't know. That's not what you said yesterday. Oh, sheesh. Sheesh. So many excuses. But seriously, you gotta sleep at night. Because Mama and Baba are finished. They're tired. What you think? What do you think of that? You don't care? What are you looking at, Ken? So you're gonna sleep tonight? Huh? I hope so. Alright. Okay. Okay, I'll try.